Do you know how to properly care for your sleep cap? It's more than just a nighttime accessory. It's an investment in the health of your hair and skin. From preventing breakage and frizz to maintaining moisture levels, a sleep cap can be a game changer for both men and women. But, like any good investment, it needs proper care to reap its full benefits. So, why not take a moment to understand your sleep cap better? Stick around to learn 5 tips on how to care for your sleep cap properly. So, the first tip we have for you is about washing your sleep cap. It's essential to keep your sleep cap clean, not just for hygiene reasons, but also to maintain its quality and prolong its life. Now, depending on the material of your sleep cap, you might be able to toss it in the washing machine, but to be safe and to ensure your cap doesn't lose its shape, it's best to hand wash it. Fill a basin with cold water, add a dash of mild detergent, and gently swish the cap around. Then rinse it thoroughly under cold water until all the soap is gone. If your cap is made of a delicate material, like silk or satin, you should definitely stick to hand washing. These materials can be damaged in a machine, even on a gentle cycle. And remember, always use a mild detergent. Harsh chemicals can damage the fabric and fade the color of your cap. Remember, a clean cap is a happy cap. The second tip is about drying your sleep cap. Now you've washed it and it's dripping wet. What's next? The drying process is just as crucial as the washing one, and it can significantly impact the lifespan of your sleep cap. So how do you go about it? First, resist the temptation to wring it out. This can distort the shape of the cap and even cause damage to its fabric. Also, avoid using a dryer. The extreme heat can shrink the cap and degrade its quality over time. Instead, consider laying your sleep cap flat on a towel to dry. This method helps to maintain the cap's original shape and ensures even drying. Alternatively, you could hang it up, but make sure to do so in a way that doesn't stretch the cap. Remember, proper drying is not about speed, but about preserving the shape and quality of your sleep cap. Proper drying can help your sleep cap last longer. The third and fourth tips are about storing and wearing your sleep cap. And trust me, these are as important as any other step. You wouldn't want to ruin your cap by mishandling it, would you? Let's begin with storing your sleep cap. It's crucial to keep it in a cool, dry place when it's not in use. This helps maintain the elasticity and integrity of your cap. It's similar to how you'd store any delicate fabric. You want to keep it away from heat and moisture. So, find a drawer or a box, somewhere safe and dry, and make it your cap's cozy home. Now, moving on to wearing your sleep cap. It's not a wrestling match, folks. You don't need to pull it too tight. A snug fit is all you need. Remember, your cap is there to protect your hair, not to strangle it. Pulling it too tight can not only cause discomfort, but also damage the cap's elasticity. And here's a bonus tip. Try to avoid wearing your sleep cap on wet hair. Why, you ask? Well, the dampness can break down the cap materials over time, reducing its longevity. Plus, it's not great for your hair either. So, there you have it. Proper storage and wearing can extend the life of your sleep cap. It's all about a little care and mindfulness, folks, and your sleep cap will thank you for it. The fifth and final tip is about replacing your sleep cap. Yes, even your trusty sleep cap has an expiration date. Typically, a well cared for sleep cap should last about 6 to 12 months. However, keep an eye out for signs that it's time for a new one. These signs may include holes, noticeable thinning of the fabric, or loss of elasticity. If your sleep cap is no longer providing the snug, comfortable fit it once did, it's time to bid it farewell. To recap our journey, we've covered washing, drying, storing, and wearing your sleep cap, and now knowing when to replace it. These 5 tips are your roadmap to prolonging the life of your sleep cap, ensuring it continues to protect your hair night after night. Remember these tips to keep your sleep cap in top shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.